Hello guys, welcome back to NZ's Pet. On today's video, we'll be telling you guys about the most talented talking bird species in the world. Basically, there are different species of talking birds, like the cockatiel, the cockatoo, and other species of parrots. But the African grey parrot is said to be the most popular and the most talented talking bird species in the world. The African grey parrot is a medium-sized bird with grey feathers and it has a light red tail. The African grey parrot is said to be the most popular bird kept as pet. The African grey parrot is not just a mimicker. The African grey parrot is said to be an intelligent bird. The African grey parrot has the ability to say over 300 words. The African grey parrot is so intelligent that it knows meanings of phrases. The African grey parrot is said to be able to identify and to answer questions on food, color, and shapes. The African grey parrot can live over 60 years and can travel over 10 kilometers per day. The African grey parrot is mostly found in Central Africa, in countries like Congo, Tanzania, and Ivory Coast. Now, let's talk about the caring and feeding of the African grey parrot. In caring for the African grey parrot, the African grey parrot usually wants a calm environment. The African grey parrot needs toys that can challenge their intelligence, toys like puzzle toys. It is said that the African grey parrot are more prone to deficiency in vitamin A and vitamin D. So most owners of these pets are advised to feed them with vegetables like carrots and soaked sweet potatoes. The African grey parrot mostly feeds on grains, seeds, and nuts. If you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. Turn on the notification bell to see more of videos like this. Thank you.